that I would sit upon. Someday I'd drink in the beauty of the sun, and in the evening time I'd sing my froggy song. I whoop, 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 I whoop, 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 I whoop, 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 I whoop. Whoop, 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 so I'm growing my tail, breaking free from my jelly with a hunger in my belly, and I'm swimming.
I'm Adelka Polak of Sova Dance and Puppet Theater, and I am a puppeteer. So who loves puppets? Yes! We know so many people love puppetry, so we are here with Frogs Make Me Hoppy in order to share the art of puppetry with your students in your classroom, and also we have a virtual option as well. So this is a 3-part series where we read a storybook called Frog Song that's extremely interactive, and you get to hear all sorts of different frog songs from around the world and learn about the diversity of the species and how vast and varied they are around the world between songs and habitats and their ways of life. Then comes Workshop 2, which could be followed immediately by Workshop 1 after we read the storybook. So we can get right to work at our desk and make our puppets together. In the Frog Puppet Workshop, I truly encourage the students to create the frog that they want. So maybe it's a frog that you're studying in the classroom or one that they've seen here in Connecticut or elsewhere. And they can also choose to be an artist where, they can make polka dots into hearts maybe, or really come up with an amazing design that basically makes their world happier. So maybe a golden frog, maybe a bullfrog actually turns into a rainbow frog, so it camouflages with the rainbow in the sky. Then in Workshop 3, I return on a second or third day in order to finish out the entire residency and teach the students who have made their puppets how to use them properly and effectively. So there are rules to puppetry, and they learn those basic rules to puppetry in order to get the most out of their work of art for the biggest dramatic surprise, which takes some patience and skill. This is my favorite moment of our program, is when the students actually get to shift the focus from me as a puppeteer to them learning the skill of puppetry, and they get to become the performers. We are extremely flexible with our program as well, because we are intending to do this in schools, but we have also just provided the puppet making workshop in libraries and at special events, so you can just book us for the puppet making portion itself. Just let us know what works best for your institution and your needs. You could also book just the puppet making portion of the program in conjunction with the show called Marvelous Metamorphoses, our favorite show that goes through the metamorphosis of frogs and caterpillars to butterflies. And on this great journey of migration and metamorphosis, we will meet many different characters along the way. Please let us know if you have any other questions about our programming. You can contact us at sovatheater.com. My name is Adelka Polak of Sova Dance and Puppet Theater, and I hope to meet you soon.
Ever since I was an embryo floating on the pond, dreaming of the lily pad that I would